Alrighty, folks, we got a bit of news here out of Breitbart.com. I'm trying to bring forth the best top news, but we're always behind. There's just so much constantly. Alright, this article is entitled Alabama Governor Kay Ivey Signs Abortion Ban into Law. Into law. Interesting. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey, Republican, signed the Human Life Protection Act into law, one that makes most abortions in the state at any point during pregnancy illegal, except those necessary in order to prevent a serious health risk to the unborn child's mother. Bug. So, very interesting. Now, people are going to, right off the bat, want to just bombard her. Females are just going to want to bombard her. But she would be a world easier target in an argumentative sense if she were male. But this governor is female, so that takes away some of the flack potential that's normally spewed out of people's mouths. You know, female versus male. This issue is a top ordeal that females toss out there to want the legalization of being able to murder their children, their unborn children, unborn babies, which is just bonkers. But they're going to have a heyday trying to throw her under the bus. That is funny. Hold up a second. Today I signed into law the Alabama Human Life Protection Act, a bill that was approved by overwhelming majorities in both chambers of the legislature, Ivey said Wednesday upon signing the bill. To the bill's many supporters, this legislation stands as a powerful testament to Alabamians' deeply held belief that every life is precious and that every life is a sacred gift from God. Booyah. Yeah. Good going, Ivey. To all Alabamians, I assure you that we will continue to follow the rule of law, the governor continued, observing the law is similar to the law in Alabama prior to 1973. Well. Very interesting. Many states are doing this. Abortions are down. Many great signs. Many great signs. Siding with life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. That the unborn are human. That they have rights as well. So, this is pro-society type stuff. This is what we need. This is the common sense what we need and have needed for decades and decades as we genocided our own future society while we imported millions and millions of foreigners or foreign invaders. Absolutely insane. It's hard to believe. It's one of the biggest mistakes in our history. And it's an abomination what has been allowed to occur. Folks are supposed to protect people, not allow them to get slaughtered. And the remains to be sold, as far as I'm aware. So, in all meaningful respects, this bill closely resembles an abortion ban that has been part of Alabama law for well over 100 years, as today's bill itself recognizes that long-standing abortion law has been rendered unenforceable as a result of the U.S. Supreme Court decision in Roe v. Wade. No matter one's personal view on abortion, we can all recognize that, at least for the short term, this bill may similarly be unenforceable. As citizens of this great country, we must also respect the authority of the U.S. Supreme Court even when we disagree with their decisions. Many Americans, and myself included, disagree when Roe v. Wade was handed down in 1973. The sponsors of this bill believe that it is time once again for the U.S. Supreme Court to revisit this important matter, and they believe this act may bring about the best opportunity for this to occur. Obvious dangers with abortion type ordeal. Essentially, one has to concede, if you're the pro-choice side, that it was at one point that it was okay to murder you, and that's where the danger lies. Then over time that goalpost can be moved, and that's shockingly what the youth are picking up on. They find it hunky-dory to the idea of taking out their children at any age. It all kicked off with that one governor, Northam or something. So, and that stuff, they've been doing those types of videos on InfoWars. Very shocking and very terrifying where the direction the youth and their mindset are heading. In the next 10, 15 years, the next generation, from them, they're going to want to kill us. They're going to be the Red Guard 2.0. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. Scary stuff. Scary stuff. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Great direction these states are moving in. Life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. We have to agree on those. We have to agree on those and be united in the common defense of those elements. So, very, very foundational and key elements, key components. So, anyhow, I'll see you up ahead. Feel free to subscribe. I'll see you up ahead.